Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Cadillac Escalade roof rack. Before starting, ensure you have the right tools. You'll need a small pry bar or a plastic trim tool to protect your vehicle's finish. Additionally, a Torx T25 bit or a 10mm socket will be necessary for the fasteners. Finally, prepare a good quality silicone sealant to properly close the holes once the rack is off. The first step is to remove the 4 end caps that cover the mounting points. Using your small pry bar or plastic trim tool, carefully insert it between the molding and the end cap. Apply gentle upward pressure to release the internal retaining clips. Work slowly to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the clips are free, you can remove each end cap by hand. With the end caps removed, you will now see the bolts securing the roof rails. There are typically 2 Torx bolts or 10mm nuts under each cap, totaling 8 fasteners for the entire rack. Use your T25 Torx bit or 10mm socket to carefully unscrew each one. Keep these bolts organized, as you might need them for sealing or future reinstallation. After all bolts are removed, the rack is still held by 2 central retaining pins. To release these, gently slide the entire roof rack assembly approximately 1.5 inches toward the rear of the vehicle. Once disengaged, you can carefully lift the entire rack off. Finally, apply a durable silicone sealant into each exposed bolt hole to prevent any water from entering your vehicle's interior.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.